Welcome back to Garden of Treats. Today I am going to show you the start of our orchard, some of our berry bushes, and one special tree that's planted in the middle of our field. So here's the start of our orchard. We have 4 trees planted. This tree here is our red delicious apple tree. And so they're going dormant because it's getting a little chilly up here. Warmer than usual, but getting a little chilly. So they're going dormant. This is our peach tree that we actually brought from San Antonio, but it's doing pretty well here. You can see it still has some decent like leaves on there. This tree is a peach tree. This is a peach tree that we got in Ohio, so it'll do perfectly fine here. And our final tree that we've planted so far is our pear tree. So this one is pretty tall. So they're all in a row. And so we are deciding if we want to continue planting them straight all the way back, which doesn't look too far from here, but it is pretty far. Or if we're gonna plant a couple of more, so probably 6 in a row, and then move to the next row over to start planting. Or 6 in a column, move to the next column over to start planting. So comment what you think we should do. Do you think we should continue this line and go all the way to the back? Or should we plant about 2 more trees and then start the next column of trees? So comment your suggestion in the comment section. Now I'm going to show you our special tree that we planted. So I gotta take the long walk to the middle of the field. I don't have Woo or Bella out here with me, so I gotta be careful. They're my backup. So you guys are getting a good view of our field and how it's looking. And it's cut, but we purchased a tractor with our home, and the tractor runs hot. We haven't got it to start at all, but the person who sold it to us told us that it runs hot, so we may be selling that for the parts and getting us a new tractor. But if we cut with the lawnmower, that's how wide the lawnmower cuts. The right lawnmower. We'll be out here for days. Oh, I passed it. It's really small. So this right here, you can see, is going to be a big old, beautiful black walnut tree. I'm trying to scratch it, but my nails aren't strong enough to make sure that it still has green inside. My nails aren't strong enough. I have to bring a knife next time I come. But we've been checking it every now and then. Oh wait, there we go. So you see, that's the test to tell if it's alive or not, and it's green. So it's doing great. Hello, beautiful. So this is the middle of our field. There's that way. There's still a lot of room back. So that's our very special tree. And then I will show you our blueberry bush and our blackberry bush and our goji berry bush, which we brought from Texas. And so we've planted these trees. Well, the first 2 trees we planted about a month ago, almost. And then the second 2 trees we planted about a couple weeks ago. These berry bushes we planted, I would say probably about 3 weeks ago. So you can see how they're all doing after the frost. We've had a couple frost periods. It's been going warm and then cool and back warm. So you'll see how it looks after all of that. I think they're doing pretty well. They're adapting to Ohio really well. One thing I could say that's not adapting too well is our pineapple plants. They're inside of the sunroom and they get lots of sun back there, but for some reason, I don't know, I think they like the humidity and the heat, and it gets a little cold because we have a small heater right now. So I don't know, we'll see. So this is the blackberry bush. It's turned colors, guys. I'll try to find a picture from when it was in Texas. I gotta be careful because they have thorns, but yeah, it's turned purple. It's beautiful. And then this is our blueberry bush. Look how pretty. It's like red, yellow, orange. It's really pretty, fall colors. And then the goji berry. Goji berries don't really have that many leaves. Like even when in Texas, it didn't have many leaves. It makes lots of berries though. Like most of this is berries. This is what the leaves look like though. But yeah. So those are our bushes that we have so far. So this is the start of our beautiful garden of Treatz farm.